going on, everybody? JC from Stoner Car Care. Today we're talking about bug removal. Now we will not be talking about quick removal of bugs. When they first hit, go home, rinse them off. It's all about timing. So if you can do that, absolutely do that. Today we were talking about baked on bugs. These actually have a soft spot in my heart. The first job I ever did for Stoner when I was an intern was doing research on how to improve bug removal from baked on sitting on your cars for way too long. So today we're talking about that. Now you won't need all these materials, but when it comes to cleaning off baked on bugs from your car, some of the things you might use include an all-purpose cleaner or a pre-soak soap, a normal car wash shampoo, a bug remover, bug erasers or an open cell sponge, and then finally a sealant or a wax. For baked on bugs, we always recommend trying to fit this in during a full car wash. If you're not able to do a full car wash, or you're just doing the bugs, there's a couple products you can use, and here's how you can use them. You might have just a dedicated bug remover. If you can, rinse off the front of your car or wherever you have a lot of bugs, apply that remover and follow the directions. We also recommend Stoner's bug eraser, which works like an open cell sponge that already has the detergents and the softeners built into the fabric. And we'll show you how to use these in just a second. Before we get to that, remember to like and subscribe. Regardless of the method you're using, it's important to let the chemicals do the work. Don't rely on elbow grease. Elbow grease can get the bugs off, but it's also going to give you hazing, scratching, and a bad surface finish. Let the chemicals do the work. What we're going to do here, using the bug eraser, is simply dunk, get lots of suds for high lubricity, and then go after the bugs. The exoskeleton of a bug is extremely hard and can easily scratch your vehicle. So again, let the chemicals do the work. Once your wipe gets a little bit loaded with exoskeletons and bug guts, remember to flip to a clean side so you're not just rubbing exoskeleton on your surface. Ideally, you're going to remove baked on bugs when you're doing a full wash. And a quick tip, before you get started on your wash, spray your affected area with an all-purpose cleaner, a bug remover, or your shampoo when you're doing your wheels to give it extra time to soak in and soften those bugs. And by the time you get to your front grille, they'll be much easier to remove. As you can see, the prep soap, the prep step, and the wash removes the majority of the bugs. The really aggressive ones that are still on there, you can go back at it with your cleaner, specific bug remover, or in this case, we're going to use our bug eraser. Now that we've safely removed the bugs from your car, it's important to put a protective layer for two reasons. One, it's going to make it easier to remove bugs in the future with a sealant or a wax on there. And two, it'll actually put a physical barrier between the aggressive acids in the bug that you hit in the future and your paint. So next, we're going to apply our Stoner's hybrid ceramic liquid wax to protect the front of this vehicle. So now that you know how to safely remove bugs from your car and we've sealed the paint to protect in the future, go out and enjoy the rest of your summer and hit as many bugs as you want. This is JC from Stoner Car Care. We'll see you next time.